What's going on, familia? What's going on? Happy to be here today once more, ready to look at the market, ready to get some money in our pocket, and ready to make it happen, my friends. How's everybody doing today? How is everybody doing today? What's up? What's up? What's up? Hey, Tony, Josh, I won. How's it going? All right, familia. It is CPI day today. We are changing a few things here. Boom. Reminder, if those that went already through these CPI, make sure that you don't trade CPI because they just simply suck. It's no good. All right. We don't trade news events. So make sure that you stay out of the market. All right, familia. Hello, Kimberly. Hello, Kimberly. Hey, Kimberly, how are you? Huh. Very well, very well. All right, familia. Let's look for trade opportunities here. I am going to look at this. Look at that. Like, familia, this is insane. Like, we did this TA, when was it, yesterday for NAS? We highlighted the areas where the price was supposed to come. Through the CPI, it went exactly to the spot. Boom, reacted to it. That gave us a very good clarity of where price is going. Look, familia, this is from yesterday. Like, I didn't change anything. Why did the price just come there once? Right? Like, that's just crazy. So we know that our TA is on the spot. We know that investors are looking at the same information as we are. The question is, how are they going to move around all this information? Right? We look at here at SP 500. And right now, SP 500 is reaching areas that probably, let me just take a quick look at this in the SP 500. Okay. I see. That's what you're doing, right? Okay. All right. So as you guys notice, after the market opened, it's just idling there, which is not a good sign. It's just sitting there right now, not doing much. But I'm going to switch into this here, which is for CFDs. We can see here now pricing moving really, really, really high. And here I'm going to switch to SP 500, which is doing the same thing. All right. That is brutal right now. It's going back there in that area. Let me take a look at, for those who are doing futures, I am, our system is looking for trade alerts for you guys, and it's telling you where to get in and where to get out, okay? 738 already happened. The move already happened in a buy. I missed that. I didn't take that because I was looking at the market, but the move already happened based on what it found. If you guys saw it on the screen and took it, congratulations. I didn't take it because I was looking at the other side, but the alert came through at 738. It says to buy if it breaks the entry 825. It's still quite far from that, but if you break that, the reason why it says that, because if it breaks it, the next area is gonna do a higher high, like a record, like the highest high for NAS. If it does move higher, it's gonna go to the very next level of the 80th waves. It is super, super high. Prices just keep moving higher and higher and higher. Sorry, family. think I'm getting sick. Boy, sorry for that. I think I'm getting sick. Huh. Okay, I don't like that kind of volume that is happening right now. And what happened is when there's news events like what we're seeing today, by the time that we jump into the trades, most of the time liquidity already has been grabbed. So, hey, what's up, Renee? Oh no, it's not Renee. That's I can't even read. Oh, I see. To be as you are. Germany in the house. Esther, what's up, Esther? Okay. So it's probably gonna do another higher high. It's just you gotta buy. Let me see what the system is saying. It's gonna look for another trade opportunity, and if it's there, it's gonna send it out. 713 now. For those who are doing scalping, it says to buy at 713 on the pullback. On the pullback. That's crazy. Why 713? 713. There. 713. SL 696. Mm-hmm. It's coming down. It's coming down. Oof. Oof. Ooh, that one went down hard. And what I'm seeing here is the SP 500 reaching those levels. It's probably gonna come harder now. It's too overbought at that point. Yes, it's coming down hard. It's coming down really hard. Oh boy. Mm-hmm. It's not bad to sell. Let's see what it's going to find now. It's not bad to sell. Price should come lower. It's very hard to get into any trade right now. It still says to buy. The system is still saying to buy. You know what? I'm going to go with whatever the system says. I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy now. Let's see. It's holding. Well, I bought at the bottom where it says to buy. I am holding the position. It's getting me in and out of profits. I bought what it says to buy. Let's see. I'm buying and holding that position. And it's moving up like it's hot. Oh, yeah, yeah. Let's see if it's going to find something else. It's not finding anything. If it's not finding anything, it's because there's no trade. Oh, now we found something. is still inclined to buy. It's still saying that we should be buying, not selling. Even though for what I'm looking at right now, as an intraday trader, sales look better as an intraday. But for scalping at the very moment, what the price is doing right now, the system is taking a lot faster decisions than I am. And it's saying we got to buy. I bought. I closed my trade already in profits. But I like the sales a lot more. What happened is I'm seeing here a void that needs to be filled. This here is a pretty big imbalance of price based on the CPI event. All this stuff has to be filled. All this area, all that stuff has to be filled. Liquidity sitting at the very bottom. Already grabbed the liquidity that from previous days on that push. So all this stuff is probably a little bit of manipulation, and as an intraday trader, you should be looking for sales. The scalping is telling me to buy, but it's not what I will be looking for. I took that quick scalp that the system told me to take. I'm out. Trailing stop took me out, but I will be more inclined to sell right now. CPI numbers came. All right, let me just refresh this. They came here for the CPI, came broke even. That's why there's not a lot of movement in the market right now. And the yearly came a little bit lower, but it broke even. So nothing really special for CPI. So it's probably going to keep moving lower and lower and lower and lower and lower and lower. It has to fill all this up, as I said. It needs to fill all this area here. And that's exactly what it's doing. Let me see what the system says now, since the price is falling for scalping. It's looking for opportunities. If it doesn't find anything, it still says to buy. But I don't understand. This is already feel the area that I mentioned. As you guys see, the price dropped really, really far. Pretty much everything that was filled through the CPI now is already down. This is a little bit wild. It is very wild. All right, family, let's just remember, if you are new to the chat, please subscribe and make sure, familia, that you guys follow us and hit that like button. The price keep dropping. The price keep dropping. The price keeps dropping, like it's going in one direction right now. As I said, that's what I believe the price was supposed to do, because there's a void in that area. Everything is filled. Everything is filled now. Probably I can expect a little bit of consolidation now in this area that I see here. Probably. We got to wait for a reaction. So the truth is, the price seems to be consolidating. Highest point, lower point. Right now is below the 50%. To trade is extremely, extremely, extremely difficult, this move of the market. So just trade with a lot of, be really, really careful, okay? That's why I can see investors not taking any crucial decisions right now. Just how the area it is right now. Do you guys see the reaction here on SP 500? Usually that kind of move that you guys saw tend to go down very far if we break the area. If we break this point on SP 500, you guys will see the price falling down hard. As a matter of fact, it's already highlighted the potential channel that is going to be forming here, which is cool. But it is already in areas. It needs to grab liquidity. Liquidity is sitting here at the bottom if it wants to push up. Why? Because it was not touched actually. This area here hasn't been mitigated at all. This entire area, a bunch of liquidity is sitting here. A bunch of stop losses are sitting here. So yes, selling probably, because the price will try to grab all this liquidity if it wants to push up. There's no fuel to push the market up. There's no orders. There's nothing to push the market up right now and get into higher areas. So if nothing shows up, guess what? They're going to go for it. They will go for it. Just be careful, familia, how you trade today, because many things can happen. Many things can happen. A lot of surprises, all right? So don't feel so overconfident. I'm telling you right now, the sentiment of the market where it is, and I'm giving you a game plan. Okay? If it doesn't happen, that's totally fine. You stay cash. I took only 2 trades so far, pretty positive. But right now, we gotta be really careful with this market. Based on what I see and what I know, liquidity is sitting here. So I'm aiming for the price to come down and grab that liquidity before doing anything. Before doing anything. I'm gonna reduce the noise so you guys understand a lot better. Based on Elliott waves, this is the area that is supposed to break to continue pushing higher to other levels, all right? Right now it's sitting on the equilibrium of 50%. 50% again, you see? So this is telling me to be careful, because investors don't know what the heck is going on. They're just waiting. You guys see it right there, 50%. They're just waiting and waiting and waiting. Something will happen. And what I know about pricing, in most cases, it finds the spots where liquidity is sitting. It tries to aim to those areas. So right now, it's at the 50%. No trade zone. Do not trade. Do not trade that area. Do not trade the 50%. You trade the extremes only. Only the extremes, all right? I want to go and do this to the candle. Poof, go down. But only trade extremes, all right? Only trade extremes. Price is pushing higher again. Higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. Yeah. Singing. All you can do is sit and wait. That's right. Renee's in the house. What's up, man? Man, you got to come to this live session, brother. I'm going to send you an invite. Oh, man. Look at that. It's just sitting there. What can I do? Yeah, it was says to buy at the bottom. I'm out. I'm not taking it. I'm not taking the trade. I'm not. You see, familia, it's gonna come down to the area as I mentioned. There's nothing pushing the market in the opposite direction. It will find liquidity. It will find fuel. It will find the means to move and fulfill their purpose, which is making money. Share for coming up in the CM after 10 a.m. So there's something going on at 10 a.m. Oh yeah. 10 a.m. meeting. So boy. 10 a.m. 10 a.m. 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Probably waiting for that. Interesting. The news is irrelevant now. I'm gonna change this. It's okay. Remember, family, if you want to join us, join the EW Army. Just click on that barcode. Take your phone, take a picture of the following barcode. Join us for free. All right, so let's see what this is telling us to do. As I said, familia, focus in selling. Like, go short, going short. Your trades should be going short. Even though the AI is saying to buy, like every time it's finding an opportunity, it's saying to buy, but I'm telling you, long term, go short. That is for scalping. Let's go, familia. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Man, I don't like this day. Like when it's like that, no volume, you can easily fall into traps because now you're getting desperate to hit that button and trade, right? Just remember, we seek for opportunities in the market, and we have to build a game plan before we jump into any trade. No game plan, no trade. No game plan, no trade. So the question that most people will be asking, okay, Luisito, if you say sell the market, why don't you sell it right now? Because you're aiming to this here. And the answer to that is, where can you put your stop loss in case that things go back? If you know that area, go for it. If you have it, go for it. But if you don't, then you're in trouble. Because that familia is coming. As I said, it's coming. It's coming. My game plan is understanding when liquidity is grabbed and push the market down, see the reaction here, and then buying the market. Because we are in a bullish market. So this retracement, seeking for liquidity, it's all I want to see. But when liquidity is grabbed and fuel is grabbed, imagine you have, a nice fire in your backyard and you take gasoline and throw it to the fire. What happened? Big fire, right? That's what's going to happen here. They're trying to find fuel because nobody's interested in buying. That's the truth. They know liquidity sitting below these points here. They will aim to that. Try to grab the liquidity and then make the move. Slowly and steady, slowly and steady. It's just chiseling down. So a lot of people will probably be selling right now and activating trailing stop on this, which is totally fine. But if you didn't catch the trade from a very top right now, you should not be trading it. If you trade this very, very short a stop loss, let's say it's just risking, I don't know, 40 pips or whatever, that's okay. As long as you know what you're doing. But if you don't know what you're doing, don't trade. Just watch. All you can do is learn. Learn. Watch this happens. Learn. I mentioned from the very top, all this area needed to be filled. It's filled. It's already filled. Now all I'm waiting is for my opportunity to hit the market. When is that opportunity coming? It's coming all the way down. Let's see. I think it might do a reaction here, trying to find these fair value gaps on the top. Not sure. Let's see. There you go. Coming back up, as it's mentioned, to the fair value gaps right there, that little imbalance, and then reaction. It should come lower. It should come really, really low. But in the point where it is right now, if there's like this here, I'm gonna highlight it here. It's a pretty cool OB here. Let's see. It broke this area, So liquidity is sitting here too. And anybody that was following the price, probably activating trading stop and covering their entries, probably have their SLs around this area here. So this could be a place where price could probably go back or not. But the bigger liquidity is sitting at the bottom, I'm telling you. The bigger liquidity is sitting just right there, below the sessions. Below the sessions low point. And he's gonna go for it. It's gonna go for it. It's coming. So do not buy. AI, what are you saying? Why are you saying to buy when you're supposed to go up, down? I think what happened is it's looking at the movement of the market. Let's see. You need to consider that a lot of systems like this are already in the market in automatic mode. So imagine all these transactions being injected right now into AI. It's crazy. So AI is telling me right now to buy at a much lower point, which is where we are right now. I am going to... I don't want to take this trade. I really don't. This could be a trap. This could be a trap. It's not finding the fuel needed. Probably will come to here and then react. AI is telling me to buy, and I say wait. But if you're scalping and you're taking that buy, make sure you secure your bag, okay? Oh yeah, I think he's making the move right now. You see how quickly came up? That's a good sign. It's coming. Well, that's what AI said. But I am not. Tony, no, Renee, you asked the question if this is for futures or CFDs. Let's look at the pricing in futures. And Q. These prices are for futures, not for CFDs. I'm looking at the price in CFDs right now. My goodness. This thing is making funny moves. The NMQ is making crazy moves here. NQ. These numbers here are the same as futures, but the move that I'm noticing here is different than CFDs. It looks like it's delayed. Not sure if it's delayed, but this is trading views for you. If I compare this to CFDs right now, the pricing is different. It's crazy because I can trade this and Tradovate, no problem. But if I go here, I see the actual move happening the same as Tradovate. Will be very interesting to actually find. Let's see. Does he have Tradovate? No. NQ. Let me see something here. QQQ. I want to see this. Yeah. It's doing the same move as NAS right now. That's really good. This is NAS, by the way. But I am going to just look at I'm gonna look at the CFDs because right now is the exact move that he's doing on my broker. And I want to make sure, again, I never look at pricing, familia. I really never look at pricing. I really never do look at pricing. I want to, you reach a 50% again, and price is making funny moves. Okay, 1 second. Okay. I am right now just getting my broker ready. I'm gonna sell the market. I'm gonna go short. For now, this is a pretty good 80-way recovery here. 80-way 1, 2, and pushing the market back up. So I took that, I went short on that trade. I got out pretty quick. But I will be buying in the market with a confirmation of a rejection to this here. This is probably going to be aiming this spot here right now. I think the market is turning very technical right now. Aiming that. The market is going to become very technical right now. So I will be buying the market, aiming to that spot there. I'm buying the market right now. I'm buying the market, aiming there. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. What is AI saying right now? They're still asking to buy, but let's see. Let's see. So this is what I'm looking at right now. Going long. That's what I'm looking at right now. And it's playing with my feelings. Let's go. Moving up. Making some profits. Let's go. Let's go. Sorry, I'm not looking at. I entered and it wasn't profit. How to cut? I don't know. Yeah. All right, familia. All right, all right, all right. I am buying the market. Buying like there's no tomorrow. Let's go. Aiming to the spot that I mentioned. I'm buying the market right now. Aiming to that spot. Aiming to that spot. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! Money. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. I am securing my profits right now. Nobody's taking that away from me. I'm securing that. I'm securing that. The market can come from that point. It can turn completely down. It can come down really low now. I am securing my bag. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Nobody take that away from me. Let's go. AI. Let's go, AI. Let's go. AI said buy. I'm buying. Let's go. It's like a machine right now. I am securing that profit like crazy. Let's go. Yes. Bam. Oh my God. That was a nice move. Let's go, familia. Let's go. Let's go. Vámonos. Let's go. This is live, familia, and it's recorded for you guys. It's gonna stay in YouTube. For those who are new to the broadcast, please hit that like button and subscribe. Take your phone and just scan that barcode. It's free. You got to come to the community. It's pretty cool. It's a free community. You guys can come, join us, learn, trade with us. look for ideas, and have fun. Join the EW Army, Elliott Wave Army. All right. So I don't care at this point about this trade anymore. I really don't care. It can react now because it's at the 61.80, but I'm aiming to that fair value gap on the top. Anything can happen. I don't care, honestly. I don't care. I don't care. Money, familia, money, 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 and it sucks because I know there's a little bit of a delay on the YouTube, but we're gonna be doing this with the familia with a private Zoom. Renee, if you are already 250, my friend, don't get greedy, man. Just get out, bro. If you make that money, I am with a trailing stop. Like, I don't care. The market can come down and get me out. Like, I don't care. I had a game plan to execute this trade, and it's coming through, and it's pretty good. Because of, as I said, the market is becoming very technical right now. No emotions are in place. So because it's so technical, you got to treat it technical. And that's good. You see, it went right to the 70.50. A lot of ICT traders looking at that area. It can react and push down now hard. There you go. It's doing the move. Same, Renee, I was in trailing stop. It kicked me out because I put it very tight. So I'm out of that trade. It might just come down, and again, liquidity is sitting at the very bottom. Liquidity is sitting at the very bottom. So for scalpers, you know, your guys are hitting a home run right now. But for intraday traders, you know, they're looking at the bigger picture. Things might aim there, and we can make a lot of money if we understand that. Very well, Renee. Congratulations, my friend. Making money, making money. Wow, it's pushing back up again. I'm out. I'm not in the trade anymore. I'm out. It kicked me out. Oh my God, there's so much going on. So much going on. Not even a joke. Okay, let me see what AI is saying right now. Sell? What? Oh my God. Okay, wait a minute. Now it went to buy. He was trying to sell. What the heck? That was a previous alert. Now it's saying to buy. What? Remember that I was looking at a sale too before, because I was looking for price to come down to this area. That's what it was saying to sell. But now it switched saying, oh, well, you got to buy. That's a scalping. That's a scalping for you guys. And you got to be able to switch hats pretty fast. That is insane. That is insane. We're hitting this. I'm not out. I'm sorry. I am out. I am not trading right now because I didn't see any other opportunities. But if you guys are, in this trade, congratulations, because it's coming to the area that I mentioned. Whenever I put that X, watch it, because it is like, there you go. Coming hard. It's coming hard. It kicked me out of because I put a very tight trailing stop. Very, very tight. But for those who are trading, congratulations, because you're making money with us live. Tony, all right, thank you for coming. Please, familia, remember to click that like button and subscribe if you're not part of the gang, because there's a lot for you guys to learn and earn in these live sessions. With all the power in the world, now with AI in place, telling us also what to do and where to go. We got to hit it hard. We got to use everything we know and we got. So, you know, the smartest people in the whole world that are working in this industry are using AI. Why? It's not because it makes them smart. It's because they are smart enough to make quick decisions. And this tool helps you to make a lot quicker decisions. So focus in the trades that you guys know, but also take into consideration what AI is telling. And what I built here, it is a masterpiece. It is truly a masterpiece. And it tells you at the bottom as well, well, you should be watching the areas that you should be looking at. So you can also chart that on your own graph if you want to. All right. It's been a lovely day. Very nice day. No complaints, no complaints. No complaints. But I am going to be switching my hat. I am going to be switching my hat soon, because I think this can potentially turn and become a problem anytime. It's already sitting at that 70.50. Already reached the area that we wanted, right? And things can turn any moment to the opposite direction. So at the sync, I'm gonna do nine contracts. I am going to take a trade here. I'm gonna sell the market. Very low lot size. I'm only opening one contract. I'm gonna test that out. It's sitting right on the 70.50. For those ICT traders, you guys know what that means. I took a very low contract there because I don't want to miss that train. But I will be adding more if it goes higher. It's fighting the area. It's just fighting the area. Any news event that we know of? Not really. There's nothing really going on. Let's see. Is there any news? It's coming higher now. Just fighting the area. It might come a little bit higher, probably to fill this up here, even 88% before dropping hard. The reason why I took a sell there is because it's a very important area for ICT. In most cases, price tend to drop out of these areas, but you see my golden zones here, 78, 70, 60, and 88, 60. Those are my extremes. These are the areas that I really, really like. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if Santa is coming to town or not. AI is telling me still to buy. AI is not telling me to sell. It's fighting the area. It's just fighting the area. Fighting the area. Let's see. I'm 2-0 so far. What's going on? If price start consolidating there and not moving, most likely will come down. There you go. There you go. Making the sweet move. Making the sweet move or what? Are you doing or what? Like, come down. Come down. Go down. Where is it? Thing? Go down. Right here. Go down. Down. Go down. Bam. Go down. Go down. Now, where's that candle? Go down. Go down. Oh, man. You gotta laugh. It's just going up. Man. Well, it's still going up. AI says to buy. Buy on the pullback. Buy on the pullback. Buy on the pullback. And I have one contract open on a sell, which is really not a lot, just pennies. I'm testing this out. Honestly, if the price move a lot higher, I'm losing like 20, 30 bucks. But I want to add more positions. If it start coming down, I'm gonna be adding more positions as it comes down, but it's not what AI is telling me. I'm just going by the area, understanding that price can reject this anytime. But the momentum is still bullish. Plus, I'm not getting any real legit confirmation that it's coming down. That's the truth. I'm just like gambling right now with my money. I don't care. It's just money. Just pennies. By the way, I don't recommend people to do that. I'm doing it because I don't mind it losing 20, 30 bucks on this trade, but I don't recommend you guys to do any of that, okay? So don't do that. There's a reason why I'm doing this. Number one, it's hitting the 70-50, all right? By experience, these are areas where the price tends to fall down. All right, so I'm taking my chances there, number one. Number two, I know where to stop. I know where I have my stop losses. And that stop loss only represents fractions of what I earned today. So I can take that hit if I want to, because I already made a ton of profits on that pushing the market up. So out of that profit, I'm only risking a little, like a tiny portion of it. So that's totally fine. I'm not risking my capital on this trade. And I'm actually in profits right now because I got it like right there in the very top. So, it's literally just going in and out of profits. Now I'm not in profits. So I'm gonna break it down. I want to see more details of what's going on here. It truly came to the area that I mentioned. Look, it's tapping it so many times. Like it's just tapping it, tapping it, tapping it, tapping it. So the extreme is 88.60. By experience, this is the area that price tend to fall down harder. So this is the last higher high here. So it might just start falling down, or it will try to wipe out liquidity that is sitting here of people that are also selling, and then push the market down finally. So most people right now are managing this trade like this. They're selling here and their stop losses are here. And this is what they're doing. Most people. And this is a very crazy way of trading, because this could be a trap. This could be a trap for many retail traders, because price can tend to now push higher. You see this area compared to this that is super close? So imagine I'm putting my stop loss here. Other traders are putting the stop losses there. Others a little bit higher. So all this area from here to here, liquidity is sitting from retail traders. All that entire area of people that are taking this trade. So all this thing can be wiped out in no time. As simple as that. So how can you manage a trade like that? How can you win on a trade like that? Well, understanding that, right? Understanding that if that is the case, then you're gonna hit a stop loss, right? You gotta take the chances, right? But this area here, it is the highest point ever. So if it does break this, it will potentially come probably to higher points. And most traders right now, they're not extending this stop loss that far. They're truly going like this, at the most like this right now. That is a decent trade. That is a trade that I am taking right now. If it does break this, I'd rather take a stop loss. But if it doesn't, then risk to reward ratio tells me that 1-to-1, hitting that 61 here, I should be closing that trade. But I'm telling you, institutions are looking at this right now. Investors are looking at this right now, and probably will hit the stop losses, clearing all this stuff. Just remember that your stop loss is their entry point. So how can you trade this better? Well, if you haven't been on any trade yet, you can extend your entry to the 88.60 and extend your stop loss above this area. You can do that. You can truly do that. And I feel more comfortable on a trade like this than even this one, because right now I'm taking the chance. That's all I'm doing. Only one contract, but it's still one contract. So you got to take your chances and live with the results. That's how it is. That's trading. Remember, familia, if you're not part of the Elliott group, Elliott Wave group, the EW Army, hit that. Where is it? Right here. That barcode with your phone, and it will take us to our group where you can join us, become part of the family, and make some money with us. Wow. I'm already showing you guys the game plan for today and what investors are looking at right now. I'm showing it to you guys live and how to think like them. And I'm literally down to the 1 minute time frame. For scalpers, it's heavy. It's pretty heavy. A moderate scalper will not look into the 1 minute time frame. It will trade out of the 5 minute time frame. The highest time frame to look at the structure is the 15 minutes. That's no negotiable. No negotiable, okay? But the entries at the 5 minute, they execute from the 5 minute. What he's doing there right now, it's funny games. It's not cool. It got to the point that we wanted from the bottom all the way there. But now I'm expecting price to come down, and it's not. There's so much going on here, so much. So I am in profit now. It's just a contract. It's not the end of the world. Just one contract, so it's okay. Let's see, what are we doing here? What are we doing over here? Are we making money or are we making money? You tell me. Awesome, Rene. Take care, my friend. Need to get going. Yeah, you are in Germany. I know in Germany you guys have like 6 hours ahead, right? So it must be the evening for you. I appreciate all the people that make that effort to join us from the other side of the world, because I know it's late there for them. I appreciate everyone, by the way, but I know these people over there, people from California too, like everybody that is in different time zones than mine, because I'm in Toronto. I know you guys are making a big effort to come here and learn. I gotta do more London sessions. I love to trade London. I love to trade London. Sometimes I trade London on my own here, well, a lot of times on my own. Depending on what New York is doing, because sometimes New York is just not doing the great, and I wake up in London and make the money, and that I'm done in a period of like 2 hours, 3 hours. I'm done. You see how heavy the area is being respected right now? Like exactly to the point that we mentioned. It's just dancing like there. It's truly dancing. I am deep in profits right now on that one contract, but I don't like what he's doing. The fact that it's like coming on and off out of this area so much. It's doing what is called filling up the gap, but there was no gap there at all. It's actually building more liquidity there. It's building a ton of liquidity in this spot here. What AI says, let's see. AI, what is AI gonna tell me right now? It says to buy on the pullback. Just keep telling me the same price, 720, but it's much lower because it's doing. Oh, I see. 720. So 720, it's here for those who are doing futures around here. It says to buy here. To buy there, but already happened. The move already happened. So it says to buy there again. There you go. Oh my God. Big drop. Big drop. I am deep in profits right now. I think it's gonna do the move. Let's see. Yes. Yes. There you go. Oh man. This thing is just wild. Price is just wild right now. It got me in and out of profits on that one contract. That's what gets a lot of people desperate in trading. Just the waiting time. Sometimes I sit here for 2-3 hours to just waiting for one move. Make the money, and that's it. I'm done for the day. I'd rather do that than working for anybody out there. I honestly do that. I'd rather do that a million times than working for a person or be in a factory or, be in a hospital. Even doctors, a lot of people talk highly about doctors, and I appreciate their work a lot because they save lives. But when you really talk to a doctor, those people that are making surgeries and people that are in a hospital, they're there for 12 hours. A lot of those guys, they're workaholic. They love you. If you are a doctor, you gotta have passion for it, because being in a hospital is not easy. I know doctors that are traders, a lot of them actually, and they tend to retire a lot earlier. They do it because they love it, period. But if it's for the money, they'd rather do trading. A lot of lawyers, a lot of people that are in many type of different careers. I am an engineer. Look what I'm doing. Even though in my career, I went through a lot of the things that I use in trading, a lot of the things. And then I specialize in fintech, which is trading and technology. But a lot of people that have careers out there that are there for money, it's tough. When you are forced to work every single day, you got to wake up and be so miserable. Be like, oh my God, I got to wake up. I don't want to go to work. Or they call their job and be like, hey, I'm sick. Or they start killing family members. Oh, my mom died, my sister died, my uncle died. I've seen it all. It's funny, but it's truth. I'd rather wait 2 hours for a trade, make the money I need to do, and continue with my life. That's what I'm saying. Believe it or not, my biggest problem right now is finding a place to go on vacation. And I gotta get this going because apparently I'm leaving this Saturday. I'm leaving somewhere. We don't know yet. And it's an argument in my home. What a big problem I have. Eh? There you go, familia. The drop. Let's go. Let's go. The drop. That's what I was expecting. Let's go. Well, that one contract is working out pretty good for me right now. That one contract is working pretty good. Let's see. Ah, actually, trading stuff took me out. So I'm out of the trade. Oh man, I waited. That thing was like getting me in and out, in and out, and I would then drop drastically, make some good money there, and now I'm out. Trailing stop activated. I'm out. I am out. Let's see another opportunity. AI told us to buy in that area, and if you bought, you should be okay right now. I I think I'm gonna focus in selling more than buying right now. Oh my god, why did I say that? Oh my god, they were waiting for me to say something. My god, if you bought in that area based on the AI entry, secure your bag right now because you should be deep in profit. Deep in profit. Secure your bag. Don't let that money go away. Secure your bag right now. Secure it. Secure it. Secure it. If you took that trade coming from AI, secure your bag right now. My goodness. We're hitting this thing up and down, left and right. Manual analysis, AI, you name it. What else do we need? We need like some holy experience, like somebody from heaven coming and tell us like what to do. Like, I know we're blessed with God, but come on. We're using everything we can to win on this thing. Everything we can. And I'm going to be adding more things to this, believe it or not. I'm going to be adding a lot more things. There you go, familia. That's another win. Let's go. For those who are buying, let's go. Wow. AI's family. AI hitting this thing hard. What the heck? Wow. I didn't take the buy because I was on a sell. But I told you guys where to get in based on the AI entry. All right. Wow, that is brutal. That is insane. And this is going to stay recorded for you guys to see it as a proof that this thing actually works pretty good. That is fantastic. 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 Familia, for those who want to become part of the group, EW Army, take a picture of this barcode there. Right there. Boom. That barcode. Poof. And it takes you right to our chat. Don't worry about it. It's a pretty cool family there. You guys will learn a lot and make some money. That's the whole idea. All right, all right, all right. Just waiting for the next setting here, and the market is just idling there right now. It's not doing much. For those who took the AI entry, congrats. You're making money. Wow. 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 Remember, there's another entry that I would love to take, probably the 88, but AI is killing this thing. Wow. Wow. What the heck? Oh my God. Are you kidding me? And it just keeps going and going and going and going. Wow. 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 AI, what are you doing? AI, what are you doing? Hello? What? Wow. Unbelievable. I think it already reached the area that it was supposed to reach, and it came to us. Price came to us too, to our entry. Okay, like what are you doing? It's like debating an AI or Luisito. AI or Luisito. Like, wow. Unbelievable. I am going to wait now for my trade to evolve. That was a big push for those AI traders. That was amazing. That was a nice push. Nice, nice push. But now I want to sell the market and I got to wait for a confirmation that the price is definitely coming down. There you go. It's coming down like it's hot. It came to us, familia. Price came to us. Let's see if it's going to hold it. Let's see if it's going to hold it or not. Let's see if it's going to hold it, familia. So again, this is our trade. I'm winning again. Oh my God, it's coming. It's coming. Let's go. Let's go. Yikes. Let's go. Woo. Another one. Man, we're winning here up and down, left and right. Let's go. It came to my entry, activated the trade, and boom. Making all the money in the world. I'm definitely right now securing my bag. I made a 1-to-1 right now. I'm securing my bag right now. I don't care what the price will do at that point. Like, I don't care. I don't care. Let's go. Oh my God. Oh my God. All the money in the world. Let's go. Yes. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. And this is recorded for you guys to see it every day, like what we're making here. Just to show you guys what we're doing here. This is amazing. I don't care right now. The price can go up and take me out. I secure my bag. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Surprise me. Surprise me. Let's go, familia. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What's going on, familia? What's going on? Let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. Are we gonna win or what? Are we winning or are we winning? Sorry, I was just reading a bunch of stuff here. You guys want to look at another instrument? Let's take a peek at another instrument. Write on the chat the instrument that you guys want to go over, and I will be more than happy to take a look at it. Anna says gold. Anna, my favorite. Anna, gold, gold, gold. Let's take a look at gold. Let's take a look at gold. Gold, gold, gold. Where are you, gold? Metals. Let's take a look at gold right now. Oh, where are you going? No, gold. Gold. That is great. Let's see what gold is there. What is going to give us for gold? If there isn't any alert, it will tell us. It's looking and waiting right now. AI is like looking at this entire picture and it's looking at everything and saying, hey, is an opportunity for gold? Maybe, maybe not. Boom, he found one. What? Okay, it says to sell at the pullback, 33.85. What? You're looking at price on futures for gold. So let me look at futures for gold, and I am going to, where is, see, oh, there you go, here. Okay, there. It's asking to sell at 85, to sell here. 85.99. 85.9 there, to sell there. I don't alert there. I put an alert right there where it's supposed to be selling. And it says TP 33.81. So TP already much lower. 33.81. I think already did this move. So it's saying to go short. And the stop loss 33.88. So to put your stop loss around here, this is what it's saying to do right now. This is the trade that it's telling you to do right now for scalpers. That's interesting, but I'm gonna do my own TA on this, okay? 1 second. While he's doing that, I'm gonna do my own TA on gold right now. And I'm gonna do it for scalping, okay? Oh. Okay, I'm gonna turn these things off. Okay, let's see. Hmm. That is interesting what gold is doing right now. It is doing a correction. But more than anything, right now, it's on a third wave. Honestly, gold has a long way to go if you break that zone there. And it's coming from here all the way across. Where liquidity was sitting prior to that. This big candle here out of news events. If gold break this zone, there's a huge drop potentially that will do probably all the way up to there first. All right, and when it comes to Elliott waves, we can measure Elliott waves from the very top to the bottom. Then here, that's a third wave. That is that's still a third wave, okay? My apologies, my screen is just too small right now. I'm gonna measure this. Yeah, 61, that's good. And I'm gonna measure this. These are the levels. So, okay, perfect. Okay, it's definitely coming for that 261. It should probably keep moving lower. If that's the case, then we're gonna extend this third wave here. It's still on the third wave, by the way. And it's an extended third wave. That means this fifth wave is just probably gonna come lower. Lower. It's in a very extended third wave. I'm going to now look into. Wait a minute. Oof. Did this thing activated for you guys, the trade? I'm just doing a TA here. I'm trying to find out where I am in the market. And it is a third wave, but it's almost done, almost. It's been pushing down for quite a few days. So, all right. This is where I like to see what the market is doing. And it's definitely on a downtrend. But these extremes here, they're not nice. The way this, it is very strange what it's doing. These patterns are very odd. There's so much liquidity. Like, this is the best part of the indicator that I built, that it just shows you the liquidity levels here so much. So much. So for those who don't understand how liquidity works, you know, this channel here is truly building a lot of liquidity. And it's showing it to you guys here, liquidity points. Imagine if you started selling from anywhere in that downtrend, because in Elliott wave, this here, there will be another 5-point system if I go to a much lower time frame. But when it comes to an area like this, where there's a true channel like this, you see these levels, tons of liquidity being built in this area. So at one point, price has to come up and clear all this stuff. The question is when. Right? The sentiment of the market right now on gold, it is pushing the market down. And it's a matter of when. It's just that. Understanding when the price is going to move up again to take on all this liquidity that is there. It's very clean and clear that if we break this zone here, that's a big area to cover, which is this area, this entire area. So that's a lot of pips from 80 to 70. That's a lot. Oop. It came to us. Gold, it came to us. So based on AI, it activated the trade. Okay. Did it activate the trade? Yeah. Let's see. It's probably gonna just, with that momentum, it's probably gonna go straight to SL. Probably. I don't know. That was a big push. A big rejection out of this zone here. I don't know. Let's see. But based on my T8 and what I'm looking at, the market has to come back up. It should be coming back up to these levels here, to that area. AI said to take a trade here. And I think that will probably hit SL. I'm pretty sure it'll probably hit SL. Let's see. Wow, it's fighting its own. You can definitely not win every single trade, but doing my manual TA, I understand what the market is doing right now. And I strongly believe that it should come all the way up there in a matter of time. We're already grabbing liquidity here at the bottom. If it breaks this zone, it has a long way to run down. There's absolutely nothing looking at the back that will stop that trade of happening. But following the channel structure, it should come back into these areas. Are you kidding me? Come on. No, I don't think that price is going to push back down. What? No. I don't think that price is going to push back down. I think it's going to go right into SL. I think it's going to go right into SL. That was a big push. There you go. There you go. Come on. There you go. I think it's going to go right into SL. I am still in it. It's going to go right into SL. That's right. I'm pretty sure it will. There you go. It hit it SL on me. So it is SL. On goal. But again, this trade is coming out of AI. Garbage in, garbage out, right? Let me see what it's doing saying right now. Not every trade will be a winner, right? That's totally fine with trading. I ask again to see what's going on with the market. Let's see if it's gonna give us another opportunity in with gold. It's looking at absolutely everything right now. Oh, to sell again at 389. Why 389? Oh, I see why. So it's saying right now to sell at 389, 389.57. to do that. And a stop loss 33.91. 33.91. There. With TP 33.86. 86. Wow, it's pretty tight. Crazy. Oh, it activated it. I am not sure why so focused in sales right now when the market it is so crazy. I don't think that's doing my manual TA. I understand that the market following that channel should be coming back up there. Should come back to that area. And buyers right now are truly dominating. That's quite interesting. Yeah, that thing is gonna go right into SL2. But again, that's AI. That's AI looking at the sentiment of the market, which is true because it is bearish right now. But doing that retracement here, it's just doing a retracement. And price, if this drop here, let's see. Out of this drop, oh, I see why. It makes sense. Truly makes sense. The 38.20. I see why AI is saying that. 38.20 is a key point in the Fibonacci retracement, where usually the price retraces to these levels. And right now the price is truly not respecting it at all. The momentum is too strong right now for gold trading, for gold. And it's probably going to be aiming the 50% or the 61%. Yeah. It's fighting the zone. It's truly fighting it. Buyers are dominating right now. Is there a reason why? There's some news events or something? That's it. 10 bits. There we go. Right into the news. Close. CPI. It's all about CPI. Hmm. So you're supposed to go long on gold right now. Right now, they're focused into buying the market more than selling the market. And it's coming strong. 70% over 31% is strong. The buying power is super strong. That one went straight to SL2. It is not respecting anything right now. Like gold is not being technical at all. And that's the only downfall about AI, because AI is another system. and it has no sentiments at all. It reacts on emotions. Again, sorry, it doesn't react on emotions. It reacts on algorithm. So if AI is not taking into consideration what is happening in the market right now in terms of sentiment, you're gonna hit a stop losses like crazy. That is the only downside about AI. And that's why it's very important to have a combination of both. You cannot just trade based on a bot or whatever it's telling, because there will be losses with artificial intelligence. There will be a lot of losses. There are ways to measure this. That's why the VIX is there. The VIX is there for that. But VIX is for indices such as NASDAQ, ES 500, the Dow Jones. That's what the VIX is for. But gold is one of those instruments that when buyers are dominating or sellers are dominating, it just goes in one direction. That's the one thing I like about gold. Gold likes to react out of liquidity pools like crazy. Like crazy. So there is a liquidity pool. Obviously, it did another lower low, but it needs to find more liquidity before pushing back down. And liquidity is sitting on the very top here. So it's just orders are being executed, buying. Somebody's buying. It's gonna get to a level, no more buys are gonna kick in, and then it's gonna drop again, creating another lower low. And as I said, if you break this session here, you got a big area to cover on the downside. It's just not now. NAS in the new all-time high. Let's see, my friend. Oh my goodness. No way. Oh my God. Wow. Well, I told you guys, I'm done with this thing. This is done. But I said to you guys, if we break this, we have a long way to go, right? Good thing you cashed that, Josh. Good job. The question about how far a price can go, we can be only technical about it. And you see it on the screen, the areas that we're supposed to be reaching, but that we don't know. Like, see, somebody tells you that they know, they're lying. Nobody knows anything about trading. We work with probabilities, and the probability is that probably is going to go to the next level. You know, right now the momentum is super strong, but you're working with probabilities. You take your chances. You took that trade. Let's say it broke the area. You know that it potentially can come all the way up to those levels that I mentioned earlier. You go for it. Like, we don't know. Somebody tells you that they know like where things are going. Nobody knows where things are going. Nobody knows. All right. We're working with probabilities, and probabilities, even if you have 1% against you, is 1% against you. That's why if you're trading, you got to be really careful how you trade. All right. But we talked about this move earlier today. We when we were doing our TA on NAS, we understood where things were going to be flowing. And I believe I did this TA on the micro here. Was it here? Yes, there you go. Ah, by the way, you see the TA familia? Guys, oh my God, this is just... Look at that. Where I put my X, boom. Where is the price right now? Boom, right on it. Right? You can be technical about the market. And I said the market is being very technical right now on NAS. So be technical, respect the areas, and you should be okay. Like we talked about this like earlier when we started our session. We put the X's. I did the entire analysis for you guys here live, and this is recorded. You guys can go back, visualize what I'm seeing, and understand what to expect out of the market. Right? So it gave us the money, all the money in the world when it dropped down, right? But then it did recover. And that's why I trade 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. That is the only reason why I secure my bag in every single trade. And I said, I don't care, right? Because all I know at that point, the money I got, nothing can take it away from me. That's the only thing I do know 100%. I know that on my trades. Once I secure my bag, nobody can take that away from me. Now, what I don't know is what the price is going to do after. And anything can happen. If you're trading, anything can happen. Nothing is trading, and trading is at 100%. If somebody's telling you that, they're lying to you. Well, that was a nice push. And thank you, Josh, for giving us that update while I was looking at gold, because gold is just, and that is actually quite insane because one fits the other in a way. So when you guys see gold and NAS moving at the same time in the same direction, look for other places where the price might be dropping. The one thing I love to see is the bonds and also the DXY sometimes. So the 10-year bond, look at this. This is a big move. And it's dropping. The 10-year bond is dropping. That is why. Let's see this one. No. The 10-year bond is dropping. So investors are taking money away from bonds, injecting it into either gold or NAS right now. And NAS is just doing higher highs ever. Like, my God, this is crazy, 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 crazy. Crazy. Imagine all these people that are buying in the deep around 10:30, because that is a move. 10:30, 9:30, 9:45. Usually it's between 10 to 11. That's what ICT traders call it, the kill zone. The kill zone, this because this is where the price goes seeking for that liquidity and then striking in the opposite direction. Probably if you are on NAS right now, the market will tell you to buy NAS, period. Let me ask AI. Let's see AI what it's going to say. AI is looking at the market, right? Probably going to say to buy the market because the sentiment is very bullish. There you go, buy. It's telling you to keep buying. That's what it says. Now, what I like to do, I like to be really careful when, and you guys know how I trade, and I'm extremely careful when the market is doing higher highs. You have to. You have to be really careful because the market can give you a big surprise and just drop the same way that it went up. The same way that it went up, the same way can come down. And then you're hooked into a losing trade from the very top. Just be really careful. That's all I'm saying. Be really careful if you are either buying or selling because the price, it just can go in both directions. Ay, ay, ay. What is the price doing right now? It's respecting the 127%. If you guys notice, that's why my Fibonacci tool it's I set it up like that so I can understand those levels very well in one push. Those are the extremes of these tools. I mark my thing and I leave it like that, and I just trade those levels. Just be careful. Be extremely careful with NAS because you can be falling into a trap. Insane, insane, insane. Anyways, I don't think I'm gonna be trading anymore since it's doing this crazy thing, like doing higher highs. I am going to get going with other stuff that I need to do for the day. So I'll come back again tomorrow, familia. If you guys please remember to, if you're not part of the group, click that subscribe and also join us in our barcode right here for the EW Army. All right. I will see you guys again tomorrow at the same time. God bless. Take care, familia.
Goodbye.